Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and I'm right in the middle of it. And today I thought I'd bring you guys in and show you what I'm doing. I'm doing journal flips for my journal that I've been working on. And I will show you the process. I got video links I'll put down below to show you guys how I did all this and put everything together. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so I'm right in it. And this is just scrapbook paper that I put down. And I was doing this as an example to show you guys. And before I kept going, and I'm going to show you guys how to do different ones today. We're going to do different journal flips, concepts and stuff. But the main concept is to take your washi tape and you tape them down. Just like this, and then they flip up, and you can do little stamps and surprises underneath. So I'm going to continue this one with you guys, and then we will go to another one, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So as of right now, I am using Vintage Photo. I usually do the walnut stain, but I figured I should start using this one. So I got Vintage Photo. And like I said, this is just, for this one, I just did a scrapbook paper. And I thought it would be really cute to do little tabs here. Like, I got all these little, just as Spirits of the Salt. And it's just fun little cardstocky things. So this is Fabrifix. And I'll show you. And let me get to it. It's a Fabrifix, and it is great. It works for fabric, lace, leather, trims, and more. And this stuff is really good. I really like it. But I put it into and I got this idea off of Pam at the Paper Outpost, and she's great. You guys should go check her out. And it's a Sugar Bell piping icing bottle that they use for icing, and it comes with a little metal tip and everything. You get 2 4-ounce, and oh, I got hair on it. Probably Rudy, my dog's hair. And it has a great little tip that just lets a little bit come out, and then you just refill these little bottles, and it is brilliant. So check into that. It's on Amazon, and they work great. So I'm going to put a little line here. Like that. And I thought cute little tabs right here. So that's fun. So I hope you guys are having a crafty little day today and getting your stuff out and playing around. It's just so relaxing, you know. I mean, the weather is just getting cold outside and rainy and snowy in some parts, and it's just nice to just sit down and, you know, just craft. Just get out your craft supplies and just make what your little heart desires. There's no right or wrong. So I got this idea off of Pam at the Paper Outpost. I was watching her last night, and I was like, well, that's fun. So I'm just going to show you guys a little different ideas, you know, that I concepted on top of it. And but her basic idea was just, you know, to do the flips like that. I'm sure, you know, this is done many of times in many of ways. But I just thought I got a couple little cute ideas I was thinking that we can stumble through together, because I like trying it on camera with you guys. And we'll see how it goes. Here we go. I'm just trying to find little fiddly stuff here. So I was thinking this would just be so cool. Just little tabs. This one little tabs. And then that one says Thornton, and then 17. It's like a little tag. I don't know if you guys see that. There we go. I'll give you guys a close-up view once I get this all glued on here. But, you know, you could put little stamps on it, and use up your lace. You could do lace, you know, like a little lace up at the top, or some ribbon thrown in there. Just, you know, whatever your guys' heart desires. Oh, here we go. That's a good one. Traveler, 5 cents. I think it's just little bits and bobs, you know. Like you can order them on Amazon and get like a whole, you know, bundle of just different junk journal dealios. So it's just fun little things. Okay, so I'm just kind of putting glue at the top part and then giving it a little tab. So there we go. So this one is pretty much like done. And if you want, you could put stuff underneath, you know, but I think we're gonna keep it like this. So we could do your journaling. And let's let those dry. All right. Okay. So now the next one I want to show you guys is, make sure it's not going to stick to the next page here. What I have is, these are index cards that I stenciled on, and I use my RIT dye. It's like the tie dye. It's RIT liquid dye that you can mix with water, and I put it in a spray bottle, and I spritzed with the, I went ahead and spritzed it. I did the same over here too on the graph paper. And you just kind of spritz it with the stencil on it, and then you can, after you spritz them, I have a video on it too, I can link it down below, but after you spritz it and get that image, you can go over to another blank page and flip it, and then boom, you got like a opposite image, you know, like that's, so it's kind of fun. Okay, we don't want it too close to the other one, so let's see. Let's see, that clash. Maybe we could do totally the opposite here. Let's find something. I think that would look nice. Okay, so I started inking this one, and you're gonna want to ink both sides, because when you flip it, I mean, if you're inking, you don't have to, but when you flip it, you're gonna see the other side too. So I forgot to do that on the other one, so I had to ink the other side while they're taped down. So you're gonna need your washi tape, and I'm sure you guys have a bunch of washi tape hanging around. And I just cornered the edges, just on one side. And I think we're gonna do these, we're gonna have them flip sideways. And then I got a little fun surprise I wanna try at the top one, which I'm gonna try it on camera with you guys, and I think it'll be a cute idea. I think it'll be a cute idea. I don't know if anybody else does this, but as I'm falling asleep, you know, I'm always thinking about junk journaling or what I need to do, and, you know, of course, you just think about what you gotta do the next day and what you wanna do, and I always seem to come up with ideas, like as I'm falling asleep, you know, and I come up with ideas on what I want to do in my junk journal or for videos or anything, and I'm like, oh, yeah. But I almost want to wake up and write it down, but I'm usually too tired, and I don't want to turn the light on and everything, so I try to remember the next day, and I'm like, oh yeah, what was I thinking about? I don't know if anybody else does that, but I'm like, that was a great idea. It was brilliant. And then you wake up the next day going, nah, that was just weird. Because you're having weird dreams. That's pretty funny. And that's me in a nutshell right there. But I think this idea is gonna work. And I'm sure it's been done before. I just haven't seen it yet. So I was just gonna see if it works. You know, sometimes you just gotta try. And if it's a big flop, well, it's a big flop. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking, yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to do them like this, and what we're going to do, and this isn't the brilliant idea, but At the top one, I want to try to do like a cool pop out. So you'll see. Okay, so we're going to kind of just stagger these. This is just for fun, like this. Just to give it something different. So we're going to do it like that, but we're going to start at the bottom. Take your washi tape. I did this one already, so let's whip it up here. Let's swap it up. What do we got? That one's kind of fun. I think I'm gonna want it a little thicker. Okay. So you take your washi, and it doesn't have to be the full size. I mean, you could just do it, you know. And this is Scotch Create Glue Stick, and this stuff works great when you're just doing light projects on paper and stuff. But I like to reinforce the washi because it might peel up, you know, like when somebody gets this journal and a year from now the washi tape starts peeling up, and I would feel so horrible, you know. Okay. So, you know, we try. There, just to reinforce. Okay, and the next one. And you can kind of stack them just to see how distant you want them. Like how, and they don't have to be lined up perfect, you know. But it's just fun to look at them, and so that's not too bad, huh? Okay, so we'll go there with that one. Oop. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then this one. So let's go down a little bit. Well, and over like that. And then that one will go like that. I could have went a little more forward with this one, huh? Do it quick. Do it quick. And then just kind of rub your glue. It should be okay. And like a little wet wipe, but there we go. There, like nothing happened. Okay, now this one, because I just wanted them a little closer this way. So that'll work. That'll do. There we go. Made that one a little long, huh? It's such pretty. The washi tape is so cool. I really like the mushrooms on it, and then the little deer, and it's just so fall, you know? It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. And the last one. Just like that. Okay. I'll tape it on the, I should go forward a little bit. There we go. Don't want to tape it on the other page. Okay, and then you want to take them and just kind of reinforce them here, just kind of fold them down. Okay, so you got yourself a flippity flips. Yeah, so that's fun. And let's try this crazy idea I got. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece of paper, right? Let's just move this for a second. I don't want to lose my page. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece of paper, and oh, there it is. I don't want this to dry up. And take a pencil. I mean, for me, I need a pencil if I'm drawing here, so I can erase stuff. But I'm going to make a full heart. Okay. So bear with me here. Make a full heart. And I'm going to attach it to the wall. Wow, okay, yep. This is why I have an eraser. So just make sure you attach it. All right, it's not a drawing contest here, but I want to get a good attach right there. Okay. There we go. So we got a heart. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but we'll get it cut out. And then just don't cut the fold. Like, see, I have it folded. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's folded, right? So we're gonna make 2 hearts here. Alright. So, not sure. I don't know if anybody else has tried this before, but I'm sure. It's kind of just like a, I don't even know what to call it. Maybe accordion kind of fold out. Okay. Put that in the scrap pile. I don't need any of my pencil marks. All right. So now we have this. Okay. So we got 2 hearts. Okay. Easy so far. Easy so far. Now, how did I want to do that? So I wanted to fold it the other way. I wanted to make, oh, wow, I didn't think about the size here. I wanted to make it way, not that big, but I got excited. So, how did I have that? Well, it's way too big for one thing. I gotta make a smaller heart. Smaller heart, just to make it a little harder, you know? Just to make it harder. I just want to see if this concept works at this point. Okay, don't cut the fold, don't cut the fold. Okay, so what was I thinking? A little better, huh? So it's gonna tape like this. Yep, it needs to be a little bit smaller. Darn it. We're gonna have one big side heart. Okay, so it would have to fold. So the washi tape. If I washi taped it like that. Okay, hold on. Let me figure this one out, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I think I figured it out. So, what I did is I drew little smaller hearts, because you want to make sure the heart isn't, you know, gonna touch over here and fold up. So you gotta have smaller hearts, right? Or you could do any shape. You don't have to do hearts, but. And then I took a piece of washi tape, and I stuck it on there, just like this. I lined it up enough that it's able to fold, and it's not sticking, you know, to the other page down here. So put a piece of washi tape there, okay? Then you're going to want to fold it like this. And I'm going to put a little washi tape here. I'm going to put a little tab. Bear with me here. So I'm going to do a little tab so people know to pull it. And you have more journaling space. Okay. So it's like this. And someone's like, what in the heck? What is this? And then you go like that. And ta-da! See, that was easy. And you can have little journaling space on it and write and, you know, flip it over, have some journaling space over here and back here. So I thought that was a fun idea. I'm sure you guys have seen this somewhere else, but if not, I would love to hear in the comments and know what you guys think about it. I didn't reinforce it with extra glue, but I got too excited. I think it'll be okay. And you can even ink around the hearts if you want. Vintage photo. And let's do this. And if you want, you can put a hard surface because you're stamping underneath. Just to help get a little better oomph. You know, we could do something different. We can do something different. Like here, what about a cup of tea? Or a cup of coffee? You know, you can even just stamp it on here. There we go. So you guys just decorate it however you feel. Like, what's this? I got this on a cork, wine cork that I just taped it on there, and it's just got a little saying. So, just do anything. Here, I think I'm gonna stick it on there. All life grows lovely where you are. I couldn't read it till I stamped it. Okay, and this is December, and it's a December flower. October, you know what? October is fallish. Let's do that. And then we'll put it down here. There we go. So there. So it just gives everybody something. So you got your little tab that you can pull and play with and write on. Okay. And then you got your just fun little things that you did. Okay, so this one's done. Now, I came up with a other fun little thing we can do is collage. Everybody loves collage. I like collage. And it gets rid of your scraps. So go ahead and take out like a manila envelope or, you know, like a just that kind of cardstocky whatever. And scraps. And I already inked them. You guys can ink yours if you want. But this is just a bunch of scraps. And I am just going to do Scotch Create glue. And we're going to just glue it all down. We're going to start with that. Easy as pie. We're going easy here today. We're trying. But I'm just glad the little heart thing came together. And I think that's kind of fun. Just a fun little concept to have a little, just a little peekaboo, you know. Okay. So I'm just lining her up. And you can do torn and, you know, you can get crazy with this. But just for time's sake, I think I'm just going to glue like this. There we go. And I'm just kind of layering it like that. Just make sure you're gluing your edges so they don't poke up. We don't know flyaways. We don't want no flyaways. Okay. There we go. Okay, and you know what? Let's put some of this on there. Not that these are great flowers. You know, I like flowers. I'm sure you guys too. And then there's some fall, you know, we'll call them fall color flowers, like sunflowers, and even though that's, you know, summertime, but you got the orange marigolds and just different colors that just remind you of fall. And why not be able to use it, you know? Use it any time of the year. Let's get the flyaways here. Okay. Let's see. I'll do a little blue. Whoop. Throw that across the room. Oh wow, that's a clump for you. Clumpity clump. Okay. Got that one, and look at that. Pretty good. Okay. So we're gonna just cut this, or no, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna, I'm gonna go this on top. We're gonna go ahead and put some stamps all over it. Why not? Give it a little more something. Okay. So we got all that. Just cut off our excesses here. Give it time to stick. Okay. There we go. Just get all these little guys. Okay. I almost want to stick something there just because it's all gluey. It's all gluey. There we go. So you do it however you want to. That's the great thing about crafting, you know? There's definitely no right or wrong. Nobody can tell you what to do. They can tell you how to do it, but they can't tell you exactly what to do. Okay. So we got that. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and take some... I'm going to throw some black soot in here too. Get your stamps. So I got black soot, I got vintage photo, and this is just some leaves. And let's just do some random stamps. I got some big maples. It turns out okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, and some more of this December flower. And Love Grows here. sounds fun. I'm just giving it some stamps. So whatever you guys got, and we did the October, might as well do this again. Stick with the theme here. Okay. And we got our big leaves. They're always fun. Just to give it something here. A little more depth. Okay. Just rolling it and sticking it. There, it gets all the ink off of it too. Here, just keep doing that. You get the ink off your... And it makes a cool collage. And it cleans your stamps. Okay. So there, we made that a little fun. Now what we're gonna do is cut them. So I got my little handy cutter here. You know what else we could do real quick? I think would be fun is have a bigger table. Geez, let's throw some washi down. Just some fun washi tape, just to give it a little something. Because washi is the theme today. You know, you could do it straight if you want. We could do it crooked if we want. Oops. Rip it if we want, I guess. I mean, really, do a little rip here. I did not add extra glue, but that's okay. We'll smash it. Smash it down. Smash them down. Okay. And then one more. Just to throw a little extra something in there. A little bit of layers. Make sure each one gets it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Make sure you guys can see here. I could stand up. Okay. And let's go ahead and we'll cut it in half. So that's about, let's see, no. Looks about right, doesn't it? Get it right in the middle. So you're just gonna make cards as big as you want them in your journal. I mean, really. Huh, not too bad. Okay, and so that's 3 inches wide by, let's do, I think the other ones were 4, so we could stick with the 4. So I just thought little collaged cards would be fun. And that one's a little small. So I've been doing 4 of them, but you know, you can do as many as you need or want. So there we go. And then of course we use this for something later. Yeah. Okay, with that done. I've got these collaged. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty, you know, and it's just, and it's all your art, you know, however you designed it and wanted it. So you can't go wrong. No, you can't. Oh, I gotta make sure you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, we'll keep it right there and don't move it. Don't move it. And I'm liking the rounded corners too. So that's gotta fly away anyway, so let's go ahead and round one side here, because that's kind of fun. Yeah, and then just check to see if you have any that are sticking up. And if so, you can just take your Fabric-Fix or your, the art glitter glue works really good too. So just, you know, just to touch it down. You don't want your flyaways. And now's a good time to get them. Okay. Just to check. Hey, that one's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Get your corners. Got a little bit happening right here. Oh yeah, a lot bit happening right there. So let's make sure to get those. Okay. And the same thing happening here. Just the edges, you know. Don't go too crazy on the glue here. Probably shouldn't be gluing on my journal. But if you rub it right away, it just rolls right off, so. See that? There we go. So just kind of, just give it a quick rub before it dries, and it just rolls right off. Oh, this Fabric-Fix is great. Okay. So we did that page. Let's go towards the back here. Look at that. Bam. Found a page. Okay. So we gotta ink it. Jazz it up here. Just to get the sides really quick. And this is the vintage photo is the theme today. A little bit of black soot, but I think vintage photo is the star of the day, I like to say. I'm super excited. I'm so excited to have over 600 subscribers now. So thank you guys. Wow. I didn't know anybody would want to watch me make some stuff. So I'm so glad you guys like it, because I'm really, really enjoying doing this. And like I said, if you guys have any, you know, questions or comments or even suggestions, and I would love to hear it. I would love to hear from you guys. And I'm really enjoying making journals and doing this with you guys. You know, I haven't been doing this for years or anything, not even close. I'm fairly new to this, and I love watching you guys in other videos that you guys make and different people, you know, go make. And I try to give credit, you know, of course, what credit's due. And I think that's what it's all about too, you know. We're all in this together, and you know, we just got to make sure to be together in this. And there's, yeah, I mean, I just love it. I love the community. Everybody's super nice and very supportive, and I really, really appreciate it. And I'm glad you guys are coming on this journey, you know, with me. And that's what life's all about, is learning new things and trying out new things and, you know, showing people different things that you've known forever and just sharing your ideas is, I think, brilliant, you know. It is just a great community to be in, for sure. And I really appreciate every one of you guys. I mean, this is just awesome. And I'm having a great time, and I hope you guys are too. All right. So now, we got our pretty little collages. So we can do these, however, I think it'd be kind of fun to do a punch, you know, or this way. Let's do it this way. Let's do a little round, a little half punch. But how big do we want it, you know? Do you want like a smaller one? Like a half? See, this one would just be, I think, way too big. Yeah. We don't want the big one. Let's just do the medium size. What is this one? Is 1 inch? Yeah, that's the 1 inch. So go ahead and take whichever one you want, or if you want to do this. And I'm just going to go halfway like that. Yeah, that's kind of fun. Now I got to ink it. But sometimes you just think of things later, you know. So that just gives it something. And these are kind of fun. Keep these, and you can use them as tabs for something. You already got them collaged. Oop. I know. You gotta keep it all. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. Give it to me. Oh, jeez. If you can catch them flying through the room, like you go find it. Okay. So just line her up. Boop. There we go. Got it. Almost caught that one in my mouth. Okay. So I'm just doing little tricks, little shows. Oh, this is what we gotta do. Do a little inkaroni. Eekaroo. Give it a little mystery, a little find. And we could get creative here and actually stamp these before we put them on. Is that thinking too far ahead? You know what? I mean, why don't we? Why don't we? Because it's always fun to have stamps. You can't go wrong with stamps or stickers. I do have stickers. We can play with those. Maybe sticking some stickers down. Ooh, wow. That's a lot of glue. I went glue happy. Okay, so get all your edges before you get everything down. Yeah, let's do that. So this is gonna be down like this, and it's gonna flip up like that. So let's put some fun little things down. This is just a die cut. It's not a sticker, but sometimes I just take stickers and glue them because it makes life a little easier. I'm fiddle-faddling with it for an hour. Oh. Why? Am I the only one, raise your hand, that thinks about putting glue on first and then inking? Because life is not hard enough. Okay. There we be. Okay. So that one's done. I want to do the next one. Yeah. Oh, it's upside down, but that's okay. You know what? Life happens sometimes. I did this upside down too, but that's okay. We don't sweat any of that stuff. Nah. 2 for 25 cents. You know, 2 for 25 cents. And I'm inking it first. Wow. There, that's one way to do it. 2 for 25 cents. Okay, so we got that one. Oh, give it a little character, right? A little bit of character. kind of went the upside down theme, huh? But that's okay. I mean, we could glue it like that. Oh, how weird would that be? It's just a weird idea. What if we did that? You'd have to... no, because then you wouldn't see the... no. You wouldn't see the little holes. No, we're just going to stick with the upside down theme. Let's do that one. And that one. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see. Do the finger. The pointy. Gotta have the pointy finger. I mean, we could go sideways. Nothing's set in stone. Here, let's go like that, and then they'll be like, oh, what's up there? We could go sideways. I don't think anything matters. We do whatever we want. How did I do the first one like that? Oh, we could just do these straight up and down. Now the finger's pointing that way. Yeah, let's. What do you guys think? I like that. Then we're not worried about the upside down thingy. See, problems can be solved any way you want them. 4. 4 is beautiful. And why not 4? Why not 4? Okay. So who else is loving flips? This is pretty fun. Okay. So let's start with this one. Yeah, we'll just go sideways. And let's get some good washi. And let's do it right this time. I mean, I'm sure they're gonna stick, you know. This is just an extra reinforcement. Excuse me. I'm gonna wet my whistle there. Jeez. Yeesh. Talking too much. Talking too much. This might be the most I talk all day. Jeez. But what's sad is I feel like I'm talking to myself. You guys are listening. I know. I know you're out there. Okay. There we go. That's so cool. Oh, I'll show you guys when we're all done. Close-up views. Because these mushrooms and stuff are pretty cool. I like the washi tape. I like all of it. Alright. Keep finagling with it here. Just to see. How's it gonna do, you know? And it doesn't have to be perfect. So we like that. We like that. Okay. Ooh. And the papers and stuff in here, I did, this is avocado dyed. And then I got onion dyed paper too throughout. Oh, that was on the other one. And the link will be down below. You guys come see how I did that. And come dye some papers with me. I know I'm collecting up my onion, my onion skins and my avocado. I have a bowl in the kitchen that I just throw them all in. And just once it gets full, I just start You just get them boiled and get them ready. And it really makes pretty colored paper. I mean, for sure. And I just use a lot of line paper too, you know. Like when it was on sale for school. When school was starting back up, I just went down to the local, you know, we have a little Bi-Mart here, and you could get like a whole thing of college ruled paper for, I mean, super good price. And so I got a bunch of those and was like, yep, that's my plan. Get those dyed. And I mean, it looks great. Paper is paper. It kind of goes big to small, but that's okay. You know what? We're going with it. We're going to go with it. Okay. So make sure you get enough here. Don't get too close. Talking to myself. Talking to myself. Don't get too close. Okay. So you're going to want to train it like that. Okay. There we go. And we'll leave this open, you know, let's maybe put a stamp. Let's do it. You know, I haven't used this one for a while. This one's kind of cool. Just to do... Get it. I'm just going to do it like right here. If you want a better, you know, put something hard underneath, if you want a better stamp happening. That's not bad. Don't listen to me. Okay, so that's not too bad. And that just gives something to look at when you open it all up. And there you go. And I will stand up so I can show you guys. Make sure you guys can see it. Sometimes I gotta move my light around here. Okay. Moving things around so you guys can see, but you can see all the cool... Oh my goodness. Okay. You just see all the pretty... There we go. Wiggling you guys around. You see all the pretty... You can see the mushrooms in it. And just, you know, the collage is just beautiful. That's just so much fun to do, you know. And this is like my RIT dye. I use blue, the RIT dye to dye paper. And you guys have to come check that out. So there's that one. Got that one done. Well, let's find it. You think I'd mark it, you know? That'd be too easy. Okay. So there's this one. Oh, yep, we got our fun little doodad. So you take it and just pull it out. So that you could do any shape, you know? Just whatever fun little thing you want to do. You got that one. And then that. Some more mushroom and stuff. So yeah. So those are fun. So we got that one done. And this one. Yeah. You got your little tabs. So this is just different ideas, you know. Different ways to do journal flips. And look at us go. You think I'll be able to do that? There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And I would love to be tagged Snowstorm Crafts in any of your projects that you do. I would love to see them, and I would come check them out. And please, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together, guys. And keep on crafting. Have a great day.